Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at the Jayco Eagle 28.5 RLTS. Coming in at 32 feet 9 inches, 1690 on the hitch weight, and only 9,418 pounds is this Jayco Eagle HT series. Now, HT does stand for half ton, but please know 85% of half tons on the road, maybe even 90, can't do this. But 3/4 ton up, you have no problem. We do have the Jayco Eagle painted fiberglass front cap. I love that. Coming on down the side here, we do have a very nice power awning with LED lights. And what I love about this unit is, even though it's so lightweight, you do get a kitchen island with an outside kitchen. Let's take a look at the inside. Entering the Jayco Eagle, we have these hydraulic assisted solid steps. I love that. Starting right here in the kitchen area, solid surface countertops, beautiful. Panning back this way, huge amounts of storage, actually unbelievable amounts of storage for such a small fifth wheel that's so lightweight. As we come in here, we do have our own sectioned off kind of living room area. Tri-fold sofa right here, theater seats right here that's directly across from a TV with a beautiful fireplace. Wrapping it all up, if you show that dinette right there, also notice how there's flush flooring. Also notice how there's no carpet in the slide outs. I love that. Coming up here, we do have a decent sized bathroom. Definitely not a big bathroom, but again, you gotta remember that with this fifth wheel being truly under 10,000 pounds, they've accomplished a lot in here. Into the bedroom, there is another slide out here for even more storage. Again, guys, let's say you are towing this with a half ton, be careful with how much you load up in here because that weight can creep up on you first, so you have to be really careful. Right here, we do have a north to south bed, storage on that side, storage on that side, power and USB for a sleep app machine, and a TV does go right here. Well, guys, thank you so much for checking out a quick 2-minute tour of this Jayco Eagle HT. If you want to get more information about it and see our full review, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this is the right fifth wheel for you, perfect. Fill out the contact form down below and somebody from our team will reach out to you and get you a phenomenal price. Thank you guys, absolutely everybody, so much for watching. We will see you next time.